Hello everyone, myself R. Arul Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutics, Sri Shanmugha College of Pharmacy. So today we are going to see about powders in pharmaceutical dosage form. Okay. So the topics I am going to cover as a definition, classification, advantage and disadvantage, uh, simple and compound powder, official preparations, special powders, eutectic mixtures, and geometric dilutions. So first, powders are one of the oldest solid dosage forms. So widely used for internal and external applications. So can be administered orally, topically, and by inhalation also available. And they're commonly used in hospitals and community pharmacies. So the powders, exact definitions as is the intimate mixtures of dry, finely divided drugs and are chemical intended for internal or external use. Okay. Next, classifications of powders. It's based on use. They are internal powders and external powders, and based on composition, simple powders, compound powders, and based on natures, the powders are classified as dusting powders, effervescent powders, hygroscopic powders, efflorescent powders, eutectic mixtures. Next, we are going to see about advantages and disadvantages of powders. First of all, we are going to see about advantages of powder. Easy to manufacture and disperse. First advantage. Next, flexible dosing, faster dissolution and absorption, more stable than liquid dosage form. And next advantage is suitable for large doses. Next, disadvantages of powders. It's an unpleasant taste, difficult to mask. It's the first disadvantages. Next disadvantages is not suitable for hygroscopic or dilution drugs. Next, inaccurate dosing if not properly measured. Next, inconvenient for pediatric and geriatric patients. Next, sensitive to moisture. These are all the disadvantages. Next, impale powders. Definition: powder containing only one active ingredient. Example: zinc oxide powder, sulfur powder, aspirin powder. They are used for internal and external applications. Next, compound powders. The compound powders are the two or more ingredient mixing. Okay, these powders are purpose synergetic effect, reduce side effect, and improve therapeutic actions. Examples of compound powders are compound magnesium powder, ORS powders. Next, official powder preparation. Number one, compound sodium bicarbonate powder, ORS. Next, compound magnesium trisilicate powder, dusting powders. Okay, Indian pharmacopoeia and British pharmacopoeia. Next, dusting powders. The dusting powders are finely divided powders for external applications on skin. Okay. Next, dusting powders. They are finely divided powders, external application on skin. Their characteristics are free flowing, non-irritant, very fine particle size. Okay. Next, examples: talcum powder, zinc oxide dusting powders. Use of dusting powders. They absorb moisture, reduce friction, protect skin, antifungal, antiseptic actions. Effervescence powders. Effervescence powders are defined as the powder containing acid plus carbon dioxide, sorry, carbonate or bicarbonate. Okay, release carbon dioxide when dissolved in water. Next examples: sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, and tartaric acid. Okay, next advantage: mask unpleasant taste and rapid actions. Next, hygroscopic powders. These powders are absorb moisture from air. Okay, the examples of hygroscopic powders: potassium hydroxide, sodium chloride. Next, precaution: it's stored in airtight container and used as a desiccant. Okay. Next, effervescent powders. These effervescent powders are loss water of distillation on exposure. Okay. Example: ferrous sulfate, sodium carbonate, and effect become dry and powdery, loss of potency. Okay. Next, eutectic mixtures. These are two or more solid that liquefy on mixing. Okay. The eutectic mixtures are two or more solids that liquefy on mixing. Reason: lowering melting point of mixture, At the examples, camphor plus menthol, camphor plus thymol. Okay. Next, prevention of eutectic formation. Triturate ingredients separately. Add absorbents. So the adsorbents examples are talc, light magnesium oxide. Next, use double wrapping. Geometric dilutions. Method used to uniformly mix potent drugs. Principle: drug mixed with the equal quantity of diluent step by step. Next, steps in geometric dilution. Take small quantity of drug, add equal amount of diluent, mix thoroughly, repeat until the entire diluent is mixed. Thank you.